Hello YouTube! Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the DUCKY SHINE 6 Special Edition with Silver MX Cherry keys. So let's go ahead and get ourselves started. We're first going to unbox it, and then I'll be doing a little sound and light demo where you'll be able to see the way that the keys sound along with the way that the LEDs react whenever you click on the keyboard. So we have the box here. First look, they have a lot of nice little abstract shapes and colors on the front, along with the Shine 6 and a Ducky channel up at the top left corner, along with duckychannel.com.tw right underneath that. Now TW stands for Taiwan. These keyboards are made in Taiwan. Now on the other side here, you see these speed switches. That is the silver switch. They're the new actuation period of 1.2mm instead of 2mm keys. Also, on the back here it says made in Taiwan. These keyboards are made in Taiwan. Duckychannel.com.tw. Let's see. You can see the dimensions of the keyboard. You can see the weight, the interface. It is USB, but in the back of the keyboard it plugs in with a micro USB. So keep that in mind. If you ever happen to lose the jack for your keyboard, you can just use a cell phone charger. Somewhat useful there. Now, I'm going to go ahead and scan this QR code just to see where it takes us real fast. Alright. Interesting. Let's go ahead and go to their channel. So it does go to duckychannel.com.tw. It shows us a little picture of the keyboard that is inside of the box. And again, the TW does stand for Taiwan. These keyboards are made in Taiwan. Now, to go ahead and start opening up this box, it looks like we'll want to lift up these flaps here very carefully. You don't want to damage the integrity of this box. It's high quality. We definitely didn't skimp you on the packaging here. So, easy enough. Let's go ahead and flip it on over. Now, there's the box, and inside there is no keyboard because they already removed it. But there's the box for you, easy enough. Let's go ahead and move on over to the keyboard at this point so that we can listen to these keys. Alright. So here we have the keyboard. And right now I have it set up to reactive advanced mode. So whenever I press a key, you'll see the wave function. Very stylish. If you press function and then left arrow key, it'll slow down the rate that the waves move across the keyboard for you. Let's go ahead and move this camera so it's a little bit easier to see. Alright, there we go. So now I'm just going to be pressing the keys a little bit so that you can get a little bit of a feel of the way that the keys sound. So here we go. So there you can see a 93.23%, not too bad for a first time using this keyboard on this game. But other than that, I do believe that this goes in heads and wraps up this little unboxing video there. So I do appreciate, feel free to go ahead and smash that like button for me. And don't feel shy, you can go ahead and subscribe as well for future updates and videos. Thanks for watching.